Welcome back to Luxo-Life. Today, we'll be discussing 5 morning habits that have the potential to improve productivity. We'll stress the importance of waking up at the same time each day and establishing a 30-minute morning routine that includes refraining from phone use and delaying your coffee intake, among other strategies. But before diving into that, please support Luxo-Life by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and spreading the word to others. If you're new here, subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, thank you, Luxo lovers. Without further ado, let's get started. We've got a little tidbit for you today that you may or may not be aware of, but it's worth your attention nonetheless. Ever thought about waking up at the same hour every day? Well, it's not just something your grandma used to say, there's some truth to it. Let's break it down in simple terms. When you make it a habit to wake up at the same time each day, you're essentially telling your body, hey, it's go time! Your body loves routines and it thrives on predictability. So when you stick to a consistent wake-up time, you're helping your internal clock work like a well-oiled machine. Now, why is that a big deal, you might wonder? Well, for starters, it helps your body regulate important stuff like sleep-wake cycles and hormone release. Think of these as your body's built-in alarm clock and secret recipe for feeling awake and alert. Imagine this, you wake up at the same hour every day and your body gets into the groove of releasing hormones like cortisol, which gets you ready to face the day. It's like having your own personal wake-up call from within. But if you're all over the place with your wake-up times, your body gets confused. It's like asking your GPS to navigate without a signal. You'll probably end up lost. So by sticking to a regular wake-up time, you're setting the stage for better sleep quality. Your body learns when it's time to snooze and when it's time to rise, making your sleep more efficient and refreshing. No more tossing and turning or waking up feeling like you've been hit by a truck. And here's the real kicker. When you wake up consistently, you'll notice an uptick in your alertness throughout the day. No more zombie modes in the morning or that dreaded afternoon slump. Your body will be in sync with your schedule and you'll be firing on all cylinders. Alright, let's dive into our next habit, Luxo lovers, creating a 30-minute morning routine. Now, I know we all love our smartphones, but here's the deal. When you wake up, give yourself a solid half-hour break before diving into the digital world. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. Those first 30 minutes are your sacred me time. You'll want to dodge distractions and sidestep stress, right? Trust me, your phone can wait a bit. I can sense that many of you might be itching to know what to do during that time, but hold your horses for a moment. Before I spill the beans, I want to hear your ideas first, Luxo lovers. Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. Let's see what you've got brewing. Now let's get back on track. Here's the lowdown on what you can do during your 30-minute morning routine without reaching for your phone. Number 1. Exposure to natural sunlight. One smart move during your 30-minute morning routine is to bask in the natural sunlight. Yes, step outside or open those curtains to let that glorious sun greet you. Why, you ask? Because sunlight is like nature's energy booster. It helps regulate your body's internal clock, making you feel more awake and alert. Plus, it's a free dose of vitamin D, which is like a happy vitamin for your mood. 2. Drink water. Another wise move in your 30-minute morning routine is sipping on some good old water. Yeah, I know it sounds simple, but hear me out. After a night of sleep, your body is somewhat dehydrated, and giving it a gentle hydration boost is like giving your engine a kickstart. It helps get your bodily systems moving and grooving. Plus, it's a natural way to help flush out those toxins. 3. Adding vitamins to boost your energy. Lastly, adding some vitamins to give your energy a boost. Now, I'm not talking about going all mad scientist here, but a simple daily vitamin supplement can be like your sidekick in the energy department. Sometimes life gets busy and our diets may not cover all the bases. A little vitamin support can help fill those gaps and give you the vitality you need to tackle the day head-on. Well, you've been soaking up these morning routine nuggets quite nicely, but guess what? We've got one more tip up our sleeves for you, dear Luxo lovers. Brace yourselves, this one might be a bit of a downer. We're here to drop some wisdom on the coffee situation. Now we know that morning cup of joe is practically a sacred ritual for many, but here's the scoop. We're advising you to hold off on the coffee for the first 90 minutes after waking up. Yeah, it might feel like we're snatching your morning joy, but we've got a good reason. See, it all comes down to this sneaky compound called adenosine. Your brain produces it while you sleep, and it's the reason you feel sleepy in the first place. So when you wake up, there's a bunch of this stuff hanging around your noggin. Now, caffeine, the hero of your coffee, works by blocking adenosine's sleep-inducing effects. But here's the twist. If you down that cup of java right after waking up, you might feel a burst of energy at first, but it's like putting a band-aid on a leaky faucet. The adenosine is still lurking, and when the caffeine wears off, it all hits you like a freight train, that dreaded afternoon crash. So, dear Luxo lovers, we've laid out some wisdom about the coffee dilemma, and we know it might be a bit of a tough sell, but here's the scoop. We highly recommend holding off on the coffee for those initial 90 minutes of your day. But fear not, we've got an alternative suggestion for you. Instead of reaching for that cup of caffeine right out of the gate, why not consider treating yourself to a brisk cold shower in the morning? It might sound a bit shocking, but it can work wonders for your alertness and energy levels. That cold water splashes wake you up like a gentle slap on the face, minus the sting. It's like a natural shot of energy without the ups and downs of caffeine. Now, a word of caution. Cold showers aren't anyone's cup of tea or coffee. It's a bit of an acquired taste, if you will. So if you're intrigued, give it a try, but do so gradually. Start with lukewarm water and then gradually shift to cooler temperatures. This helps your body adapt and prevents the shock from feeling like a polar plunge. So Luxo lovers, the choice is yours. Coffee after 90 minutes or a refreshing cold shower in the morning. Whichever path you choose, it's all about setting yourself up for a day with a bit more prep in your step. Alright Luxo lovers, we've got another morning habit worth its weight in gold, and it's a real game changer. We're talking about the idea of achieving a small task right at the start of your day. Something as simple as making your bed can be the very first win that sets the tone for a day full of accomplishments. You might wonder, why focus on such a minor task? Allow me to explain. When you make your bed in the morning, it's like giving yourself a pat on the back. You're starting the day with a sense of achievement, no matter how small it may seem. That act of tidying up can create a ripple effect of positivity. It's like saying, "I've got this," and that boost in confidence can kickstart your motivation engine. Think of it this way. You make your bed, and suddenly you're inspired to take on more tasks. Maybe you tackle a work assignment, hit the gym, or finally organize that cluttered closet. It's as if that initial accomplishment unlocked a treasure trove of productivity. That is all because making your bed instills a sense of discipline and order, setting the stage for a day filled with purpose and efficiency. Alright Luxo lovers, let's delve into our fourth habit, which is about practicing both your body and mind maintenance in the morning. Think of it as a little self-care routine to kickstart your day on the right foot. We're talking about activities like yoga, stretching, hitting the pavement for a run, hitting the weights at the gym, or even embracing the calm of meditation. These practices might seem like small steps, but they can lead to a significant boost in your energy levels, moods, and focus throughout the day. Alright, let's zoom in on a specific morning habit that packs a punch: trying out meditation. It's a practice that quite a few productivity experts swear by, and for a good reason. Meditation is flexible. You can do it whenever suits you best, and it comes with a heap of well-being and positive perks. Why are we suggesting this? Well, meditation is like a mental workout for your brain. Just as you'd hit the gym for your physical health, meditation exercises your mental muscles. It's all about creating a calm and focused state of mind. When you meditate, you're giving your brain a break from the daily chaos, allowing it to rest and recharge. Another handy morning habit that you can do can be a game changer with regards to practicing both your body and mind maintenance, maintaining a morning journal. It's a practice that not only amps up your productivity but also works as a stress buster and emotional manager. So why should you consider this? Well, think of your morning journal as a personal playground for your thoughts and feelings. It's a safe space where you can jot down your thoughts, goals, or even those pesky worries that might be nagging you. By putting them on paper, you're not only decluttering your mind but also gaining a fresh perspective on what's important. Plus, keeping a morning journal is a fantastic tool for setting goals and intentions for the day. When you put your aspirations and plans in writing, you're more likely to follow through with them. It's like creating a roadmap for your day, which can enhance your productivity and focus. Now, Luxo lovers, let's explore our fifth and final habit, which involves a strategic approach to your to-do list: eating the frog first. Now you might be wondering what in the world is that, but fear not, it's a clever concept. The idea here is to tackle the most challenging and daunting task on your to-do list right at the beginning of your day. Picture it swallowing that big ugly frog first thing in the morning. Why do you want to do that, you ask? Well, it's all about setting the stage for a day filled with accomplishments and motivation. When you confront your toughest task early on, you're essentially getting a major victory under your belt. It's like crossing a mental finish line, and that feeling of triumph sets a powerful tone for the rest of your day. The sense of achievement boosts your motivation and fuels your drive to tackle other tasks with the same determination. Moreover, this approach works wonders for your productivity. By addressing the most challenging task first, you're focusing your mind on the bigger picture. It's like clearing the clutter out of your mental workspace, leaving room for clarity and efficiency. Plus, it helps you dodge the procrastination trap, as you're less likely to put off the challenging task when it's your top priority. In essence, eating the frog first is a strategy that can transform your mornings and, by extension, your entire day. It empowers you to face challenges head-on, enhance your productivity, and maintain a sharp focus throughout the day. In conclusion, Luxo lovers, weaving these habits into your morning routine can be a game changer. Whether it's setting a consistent wake-up time, engaging in body and mind maintenance, or eating the frog first by tackling the toughest task, these practices hold the key to a more productive and fulfilling day. So embrace these habits and watch how they enhance both your productivity and overall well-being, setting the stage for success and positivity in your daily life. Luxo lovers, we hope you enjoyed today's video and found it valuable. If that's the case, give us a thumbs up, share your insights in the comments, and spread the knowledge to your companions. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, ensuring you stay in the loop for our fresh content. We're truly grateful for your presence in the Luxo-Life community, and until our next encounter, take care.